From no can say there, Ghana Education Service can show say free na ekono, school uniform, school clothes, and house dresses no one kasa obeto wade. Yan ko say or the asempa na bo 24-hour economy. Ebusia inkrate bia be come inside free Ghana Education Service. Na date no 24th of June 2025. Now we radio say all regional directors of education, supply of school uniforms, school clothes and house dress for first year students for 2024-2025 academic year. Management of Ghana Education Service, GES, wishes to inform you about the approved quantities and price for the procurement of school uniforms, school clothes and house dresses for first year students of 2024-2025 academic year. We will say items description, school uniform, house dress and a house clothes. Quantities: 2 sets of school uniform for 180 cedis, 2 sets of house dresses for 150 cedis, and 1 set of school clothes for 100 cedis. Now, we will say accordingly, regional directors of education are requested to bring this all important information to heads of senior high schools to engage suppliers for the above listed items in line with the necessary regulations in the Public Procurement Act 2023 as amended with Act 914 and Public Financial Management Act 2016 Act 921. Heads of schools are to ensure that the quantities procured for each year of the above mentioned items are informed by their validated enrollment for first year students. Blah 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 blah. Neto to aso ebusuya for chile say ekwa enya asem ketewa. So aban papa na ne ba no say nkan che say ontimi to school for ma obabium. Ontimi to house dress ma obabium. Ontimi to house clothes ma obabium. Because the naso ndie. So beto am on onye den on to ma. It's aban papa ne nkan che say free ne kono. All these things no obeto wa dey. This is just the beginning. It shows say nyama bebe ba me no ka say no. Information kwa masa aka ne say chire say boarding no kra no mba betu ya ka chese busuafo enya asem ketewa nti aban papa ne de waba na emom no ye reset Ghana ama bibia aye kama ka say eyezu eyeza e comment section nimu e de mame e da as bidin e de promise the blogger
se wunya nipa mti say ya so mu di o man so a na ye hwe sa appointment ya so ma wo kan Mahama president Ibrahim Mahama ene Lordina Mahama sa Mahama family no
the trema the Mahama cube.
Yes, sa nko fu mi ense hwe Ghana for ye ka kire mo ne wo TV su movement TV su say e time will come yadi omu bia appointment ya wa ye beba say road minister na Mahama appointee ye energy ena bia Lordina appointee ye PMMC ena Ibrahim appoint omu nyina no the list is there ya de bebremo appointment ndo do no a de wa ye pa aye Lordina enti amamwa we ankoyi a ehon subo kase no Ghana for ye de bebo Lordina because appointment mu fa kase na wona aye ni nyina wo ho and nyase bia ye betra dwuanum hwe wo ye de ani andi sinum no ene ma ekoso nipa bi mpe no wo mso ni edi nkomo enti those listen ye wo ho ebre semu no ye de ba beto Ghana fo nyina anim ama nipa nyina hunu appointment na Mahama ye se mu ye nipa 2000 ya Mahama de dodo wo mu ye didi ni nyina beba Lordina de wo mu ye didi ni nyina bebre mu na Ibrahim Mahama so de wo mu edi ni nyina bebre mu don't say say dun katia dawro
Yes.
Apani fo si ye kotwa mikobi ye kwasini misini bi ye de ba boni na mente wotan kwadu a no ayi ni milika campaign na say dun katia ye no Mahama ntimi anye bi 2024 campaign say dun katia ye sini Mahama na se ono agya ne bibia ato nam wuram nam nsuo mu edam kurase say dun katia no hye kurase otumi ko sha Asante region ba bi sa no hye ho no odi atro kese no ka cha Asante man say na MPP fo sisi mo amo party ne mo dia no mo atena on yakofa esremni nipa ketua bi we mu ba ko de no bedi mo so okeka we nyina de dada nipa tumi no ba ya What in less about what watching? Or the list about what
the reason why Intia ought to exceeding Ketia list in the train. Yes, exceeding Ketia so be the president. It's Mahama so enforce say we free one more exceeding Ketia ni mid nadia. And to do crop for bar. Na yen form na be popular. Na on crop for no so abenya ska. No ma dia yi.
Oh, we are so. Ade ba kwa ya na ya, especially our politicians ho. And he said, "Wanu no nyatumi na ya no fi say we ase nyina ba ye ne dia." Into na watch the say me ni ho a we na so oba. It happened from Rollins time. I take it down sa be sinne. Una che de so di o man so. Anya wo na utumi ni ni ho. Ene se nyame se dabi esedu nkatia be president. Jo Mahama untumi nsia no. Because wo Jo Mahama kura no professor me say fawo. Se be vice na Rollins or the party ni ba no mpene so. But nyame nhihye mu no. Nyame nim se obetuma be vice president or president. Enti the Rollins ye nyina no amfa. Ene wo ye president. Wo why you arguing say nkoma esedu nkatia me di wachi. We need that power. And the nipa ni su na ya na me yesa. Na be ya last minute we say na amfa afi na montema say forever. But I said Jo Mahama hunu say at least chairman say nketia ye bi bua no 2024 or ye campaign papa
Odi trouble
no papa atro odi bua no na ene epupu obo na su no.
Oh, in fact, they say nketia mo bopa.
Na say say okay. Once
papa nti wonso aka na atu.
Na nka say nketia papa tia wi ni power.
Yeah. Waka na.
Nka ni ohuri kosi afem, no ohuri kosi ya, waka we no waka say na say nketia wonti nka.
Niema ekoso no that's party for bebre ani nye. Asante Fasius list ne bra na me nkyerɛ ade bi. Wo de opa Fasius list ne bra. Na ye hade. Appointment no a ekoso no that's bre. Eya wo de me de to so. Na me nhyɛ dan kodit. Ba wo de fedin a eya wo appointment. Da wo de fatenten pa no. Okay, wo de for way for instance. That's what his appointment we are.
Wisdom.
Him for appointment.
Wisdom dey say.
I say nketia de ba ko na wase o ne ba no.
Ne ba no nko a.
Ne ba no nko a. Ofa sa first one na ba yi a. Kwaku ase nketia. Eno pe na ase nketia. E dia eye ne dia. Ne ba no. And say share that ni poli ase o baby. Enti sorry.
Ye ma umura na so ye ma come ne o.
Enti ya yera kwaku o di kan. Oye Jo Mahama kola. Edu jita maku.
Ya kwaku na o NI no.
NI.
Se wa bon pa o. Se what won onim se Ghana card no kra no integration bi akoso amani NHIS ni ne manema nyina no o ho dada. Na wakotwe imagine linking Ghana card. Oh.
Onim Ghana card issue no. Dr. Bawumia eson da yibi. Se Ghana card onim se Ghana card no ewo the you say betimi containing about 24 different cards.
Yeah.
In fact, Andra who say yes say IFS for a proposal say Ghana card no Bank of Ghana any other for new to yen no yen use no cry as ATM because and the capacity say you bet me use as ATM because a chip embedded.
Yeah.
Now media na me proposal and say proposal we me year in 2020 say yemfa muncheni yi yemma Ghana card number no and serve as obi a bank account number that's bre si e percent krono esoti wo mayi mu a
yen say simple
yenye integration no now Bank of Ghana number no enye o bank account number
simple kra
so that o the account ni bi wo NIB NIB before have their code but you still use your Ghana card number
same number
so our account different or GCB oko GCB the same bank number no your Ghana card number no should be your account number so that you let me a trace you be a honor me pe a honor na Bawumia me who say na nti we say na omo kan say utimi use bank Ghana card no as to ATM pepe no it means and our capacity bit me den e betimi aye
e betimi aye
nti a Ghana card no Bawumia timi introduce me be ye passport utimi to kwan fi outside eba no ekita the features of the e-passport because e-passport no chip shemu and a Ghana card no so no chip shemu a obi bia guso information bia person guso bia guso e wo a capacity say betimi contain about 24 different cards